Hello and welcome to another update video about XRP. On the XRP chart, we are watching still for this E-wave rally into the range around 51.5 to 55 cents, 54 cents. We have to adjust this area as soon as we have a confirmed low in place for wave D. Could be that the wave D is already finished. It's very hard to say because yes, we could get one more low here, but the price pushed above the triangle boundary line, the upper boundary line, but it's not strong enough yet to really confirm that this wave E of the triangle has started. For anybody who's new on this channel, we have been tracking this Elliott Wave triangle on the XRP chart now for many weeks. A triangle consists of an ABCDE structure, A, B, C. The D wave might be finished, maybe one more low, but it seems like we're very close to some kind of a low here, and an E wave rally is preferred before, however, we come down to new lows. This would be the ideal structure in this triangle. Of course, the main thesis is that we break down more directly eventually. So, well, ideally after the E-wave is done, but essentially we are watching for another low below the August lows. So we want to see a break below the 43 cent level eventually. And that could and actually should happen out of this structure. So the breakdown point is here the B-wave low. A break below that B-wave low would confirm that perspective. That would be a break below 45.8 cents. This is our main thesis. So the idea is to either rally in that E-wave into the region I mentioned between 51.5 cents and 54 cents, and then to come down from there, or the market can always break down a bit more directly. Okay, so the E-wave, the length of the E-wave is not really a rule. It's more, I'm just showing you what is ideal based on Fibonacci extensions. But it can of course break down more directly, because that would all be in line with our main thesis and the main trend. The breakout point to the upside, basically invalidation point of the triangle we're tracking, and the break of the current trend would be a move above 55.8 cents, the green line. If that happens, the price could move to around about 63 cents next. That's, however, nothing I am primarily watching for, very important. But of course, it's always worth to know what could happen if certain levels are broken and if the current viewpoint is broken, you know. Any analyst, any trader needs to change very quickly their perspective once certain levels are broken. You know, in the end, the market is telling us what we need to, what we need to believe, okay, when we are on the right side of the trend. Our idea or our work actually is all about understanding, trying to understand what the market is telling us and trying to decipher those levels that the market gives us that will tell us if we are on the right side of the trend. Now, if we dive into the microstructure here on the XRP chart, in yesterday's video, I showed you here a potential triangle. The triangle, this is not a triangle. Well, it was possibly a triangle, but with the wave 4 going a little higher. So that means it is still possible at the moment to still get one more low, but because we broke above the upper boundary line of that micro triangle here, it could be that the wave E has already started. Let's measure resistance for this fourth wave to understand when we can say that this E-wave to the upside has started. Well, so I have added the standard retracement area for wave 4. That shows you wave 4 could actually move up quite a bit. So possibly even to 49.3 or even 50 cents. Because of this, I can really only tell you that the E-wave has started above 50 cents. So yeah, it's not, you know, it's not that we get a very early signal. So the wave 4 could stretch out a little further. The thing is, it will be, let's say it gives us the 50 cent level, then it will be very hard to say, okay, is this still wave 4 or is it already the E-wave? For a clear E-wave, I would like to see a little bit more of a stronger move up and a break above the 50 cent level. But we'll see. I mean, essentially, both scenarios are aligned in that we are watching for a bit of a bounce here somewhere. Yeah, maybe after another low, but you know, we talk about the last bit here. And then eventually a break down. That's what we are going to follow also next week. There isn't much more to say, I think, at the moment about this. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.